My experience with the Ministerial Apprenticeship Program has, I think, helped me greatly, as the 3 different internships I've been able to take part in have each formed me in different ways as a prospective minister in the URCNA.
The Ministerial Apprenticeship Program has prepared me for ministry by taking what we've learned in the classroom through lectures, through readings, through discussion, and really giving it legs.
The MAP program allowed me to experience ministry in a couple different contexts and to be able to get a behind-the-scenes look at different difficulties, struggles that ministers have to deal with.
It takes one from the realm of the theoretical into the practical, from the abstract to the concrete. It gives a person a taste of the spontaneity, of the unexpected, of the surprises that come with ministry. It's a humbling experience in many ways, because it showcases to the student, to the intern, that ministry is complex, and there's many things which happen which are difficult to prepare for in a scenario other than that real world practical experience.
So the MAP gave me opportunity to not just experience how it is to lead worship and how it is to be a pastor while I'm not yet a pastor, but also to be involved in the lives of the people in the church, to experience firsthand how it is to walk with them, to grow with them, to deal with real life problems, and to just be their shepherd. And all that is happening while I'm being guided by the pastor, my mentor.
You get a lot more actual experience. So I think about it like, it's like practicing a sport, practicing an instrument. You have to do it many times to be able to be competent at it. And yeah, there's no real substitute from just getting that in-pulpit experience.
Being able to do that and receiving much positive, gracious feedback from the churches has really encouraged me as I look forward to serving in God's church in the near future.
I appreciate how we are taken care of, not just being let go and go swim, but we go being mentored.